You lost it, laid it
and
down.
within seconds,
EMS
officers
starting
are
EMS to
locked
get
into a
thrown from it.
high-risk pursuit. Speeds climb, radio traffic tightens, and every turn becomes a test of control.
Show me your hands!
One wrong move
Put your hands out!
and this chase could
Put
end
your
in seconds.
hands out!
Motorcycles are unpredictable in pursuits, especially through curves at speed. Officers hold distance instead of forcing a close engagement. Then it happens. The suspect loses control and breaks down. At these speeds, survival becomes the priority over capture. Would you have backed off earlier?
EMS, start EMS, he got thrown from it. Show me your hands! Put your hands out! Put your hands out now! Put your hands out! Put your hands out! Put your hands out! Keep your hands out!
My back's broke!
You shouldn't have ran.
Oh, please.
That's what you get being dumb. Get on your stomach.
I can't move. Please help me. Oh, my fucking God. It hurts so bad.
Idiot.
Please help. Please. Please. Oh, my God.
Don't move. Do not move. Get your hands out. Get your hands out.
Oh my God, stop. Please stop. Oh, please. Please get off of me, please.
Get out.
Please.
Get your hands out. Get your hands out now. Put your hands out.
Oh my God, please get off of me.
Mayfield, we're in the curves. One detained on the ground.
Please.
Give me EMS.
Please help me, my back is fucked up. Please. Please, sir, please.
What's your name?
Timothy Andrews.
Why are you running?
Because I don't have a license.
It's dumb.
Oh my God.
You got anything on you?
No. God damn, please help me.
You shouldn't have ran.
Please. Please help me.
Put your money back.
Oh my God, please help, please stop, please help me.
I got an ambulance coming.
Please take the helmet off my head, please.
I got you. Listen to me. I'm gonna roll you over, all right? Look at me.
Please don't.
Listen.
Please don't.
Listen. It's over. Okay?
It hurts
Got
so
an ambulance
bad.
coming.
It hurts
It
so
probably
bad.
does. Calm
Oh
down.
my God.
Listen to me. I'm gonna roll you over.
No, please
I'm not.
don't.
I'm just on your back, all right?
Please
You're on your
don't.
side. Listen to me. I'm gonna do it so you can breathe.
Okay.
I cannot take your helmet off. Okay? If your back is hurt, if I take your helmet off, it can make it worse. Okay?
Please take the pressure off.
Okay, let's roll over.
A pursuit that escalated fast and ended even faster. Quick radio coordination and complete response allowed officers to shift from enforcement to life-saving care. High-speed decisions carry real
Do not
consequences.
move. Get your hands
If you want more
out.
real
Get your hands
world
out.
breakdowns like this, hit like, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more.
Look, kick your leg up. Your other leg. Do you have anything on you?
No, sir.
No guns?
No, sir.
Drugs?
No.
Knives? I got your knife.
Please, it hurts so bad. Oh my
Hey, can you check on EMS? You check ETA or EMS?
please, oh my God. What the fuck?
You shouldn't have ran, man. You should have just stopped.
I don't have a license.
Well, I'd have written you a ticket, brother. Now you run, you got hurt, you wrecked your bike.
Oh my God.
Now you got a felony.
Please.
Came up with
Oh
it
my
for
God.
defense.
One, they're about in about 7 minutes. Do you have any kind of update?
Hang out for me, all right? Does this come up?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna lift it up, all right? How do I do it?
Got a button under the chin.
Right here?
Yeah.
There you go.
A lot of static.
Oh my.
How old are you? 30?
38.
38?
I don't know. 38.
Yeah, you hang out.
Yep.
Thanks.
What's your name, buddy?